If you want to use Circle to Search on OPPO Find X9 Pro, the first thing that you can do is check if Circle to Search is enabled. To check that, we need to open Settings, scroll down to System and Update, and then over here we can go to System Navigation. For buttons, we have it over here, and for gestures it is actually slightly lower. But what you need to remember is that if you use gestures, the navigation bar cannot be hidden because you will not be able to use Circle to Search. For gestures, you need to press and hold your finger on this bar at the bottom of the screen, and for 3 buttons navigation, you need to press and hold your finger on the home button. Once this Google overlay is activated, you can draw a shape around something that you're trying to look for on the internet. By using Google, of course. You can also adjust the selected area in case you need to do that. And also, besides that, what you can do is you can simply tap on an image on a subject in order to immediately select it. So you don't have to draw any shapes, you can just simply tap on the subject. And as you can see, we have Google search results where we can try to find products, we can try to look for visual matches, and so on and so forth. And in addition to that, what you can also do with Circle to Search is you can use this search bar over here. You can tap on the microphone in order to search for something on Google. You can also use this button right next to it in order to search for songs. And also we can translate the screen by using this translation button. So over here we can detect the language, and we can also choose the target language that we want to translate to. So let's say if I choose Finnish, there we go. My screen is translated to Finnish. Unfortunately, right now we cannot really scroll down with this translation being enabled, but in the future apparently there will be an update that will allow you to do so. And that is pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.